Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automate conversations in Slack with ChatGPT and Zapier. This is a fantastic way to create an intelligent bot that can automatically respond to messages in your Slack channels, saving you time and providing instant assistance to your team members. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Zapier.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard where all the automation magic happens. Now look for the Zap button and click on it to start creating your new automation. This will open up the Zap editor where you'll build your workflow step by step. The first thing you need to do is click on the trigger button. The trigger is what starts your automation. So we want to set it up to watch for new Slack messages. In the search bar that appears, type in Slack and select it as your trigger app. From the list of trigger events, choose new message posted to channel. This means your Zap will activate whenever someone posts a message in a specific Slack channel. When prompted, sign into your Slack account, select the workspace you want to connect, and click Allow to grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Next, you'll need to choose which specific Slack channel you want to monitor. This could be a support channel, a general discussion channel, or any channel where you want ChatGPT to respond automatically. Select your channel from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Now it's time to set up the action, which is what happens after the trigger fires. Click on the Action button, then search for ChatGPT or OpenAI and select it as your action app. Choose Conversation as the action event and click Continue. This option allows ChatGPT to maintain context and have back-and-forth conversations rather than just single responses. You'll need to sign in to your OpenAI account at this point. Make sure you have an API key ready from your OpenAI dashboard, as you'll need it to connect the service. Once connected, you'll set up the prompt field. This is where you tell ChatGPT what to do with the incoming Slack messages. In the prompt field, insert the message text from your Slack trigger step. This passes the actual message content to ChatGPT so it knows what to respond to. After setting up the prompt, click Test Action to verify that ChatGPT generates a proper response. If everything looks good, click Continue to move forward. Now we need to send ChatGPT's response back to Slack. Click the plus icon to add another action, search for Slack again, and select it. This time, choose Send Channel Message as the action event and click Continue. Select your Slack account, then pick the same channel where the original message was posted. In the message text field, insert the full response from your ChatGPT step. This ensures the bot's reply appears in the correct channel. Before you finish, give your Zap a descriptive name at the top left, something like Slack ChatGPT bot, so you can easily identify it later. Finally, click the Publish button to turn your automation on and make it live. And there you have it. You've successfully created an automated ChatGPT bot for Slack that will respond to messages in real time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.